This will be a real quick short video. For those that don't have the owner's manual or don't know how to do it, some of the later bugs actually have a little lever, and there's another YouTube video up there. I'll send you the link in the description for that. But for like up to 2002, because that's what the year this one is, there's a little lever inside. Let's see, let me get a flashlight and point right at it. There we go. It's this little lever right here. Okay, now, shame I can't put a light on it and video. And a tripod won't help. But this lever, if you slide it up, like I just did, so you can slide it down, slide it up. When you slide it up, it kind of pushes the headlight out a little bit and releases it. And then you just pull of it. You may have to wiggle the lever with it. And you can unplug the wire from here if you need to, or you can just snap it here and fold that down and change the bulb out, because there's really no room to get them from behind, and putting them back in is about a big pain in the butt too. But they're slides. It's these right here, not those. That's what actually the little slide grabs hold of. But you put them in the tracks. When you get it kind of flush, then it's pretty much there. And that's it. A little pain, kind of stupid, but the later models are a little bit better. They actually work. But that's how you change out a headlight on a Volkswagen Beetle.